Hello friends, today we look rapid fire MCQ of UPPCL JEE, NHPC JEE. Let's start. Which one the following is not a part of the steam power station? Option 1 prime mover, 2 condenser, 3 water treatment plant, 4 none of these. Correct answer is none of these. Option 4. Next one. Dash is a vector defined for each point in a scalar field. Option 1 divergence, 2 gradient, 3 curl, 4 Laplacian. Correct answer is gradient. Option 2. Next one. Tangent galvanometer and relay current balance are example of option 1 secondary instrument, 2 power instrument, 3 instrument of industries, 4 absolute instrument. Correct answer is absolute instrument. Option 4. Next one. Which of the following is the part of load duration curve? Option 1 base load, 2 intermediate load, 3 peaking load, 4 all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Option 4. Next one. The main disadvantage of ELCB is dash. Option 1 less reliable in operation, not easy to install, 3 not easy to maintain, 4 most costly. Option 4 more costly. Correct answer. Next one. Swinburne test is conducted on DC machine under which of the following condition? Option 1 half load, 2 any of the above, 3 no load, 4 full load. Correct answer is no load. Option 3. Next one. Which of the following statement about domestic wiring is correct? Option 1 the earth wire is much thicker in size and is made of copper. 2 the electric power line enter our house through 4 wires. 3 the live wire has a 0 potential whereas the neutral wire has 220 volt potential. 4 the red wire is the neutral wire and the black wire is the earth wire. Correct answer is earth wire is much thicker in size and is made of copper. Option 1. Next one. Dash is mostly caused by leakage over the insulator and is always neglected in a power transmission line. Option 1 shunt conductance, 2 resistance, 3 conductance, 4 inductance. Correct answer is shunt conductance. Option 1. Next one. Which of the following define the burden of a protective relay? Option 1 power absorbed by relay circuit, 2 power developed by relay circuit, 3 power required to operate the circuit breaker, 4 resistance developed by the relay circuit. Correct answer is power absorbed by relay circuit. Option 1. Next one. Biomass energy is option 1 formed through photosynthesis, 2 formed due to the absence of light, 3 formed due to heating by earth, 4 formed due to the presence of nitrogen in atmosphere. Correct answer is formed through photosynthesis. Option 1. Next one. Which of the following statement is not correct about closed loop control system? Option 1 it has high bandwidth of operation, 2 it can operate efficiently when the input or parameter of the system are variable in nature, its design is simple and it is easy to manufacture, 4 periodic recalibration of parameter is not required. Correct answer is its design is simple and it is easy to manufacture. Option 3. Next one. Way in which DC device can connect to the PLC is option 1 source, 2 sink, 3 both 1 and 2, 4 none of the above. Correct answer is both 1 and 2. Option 3. Next one. Mechanical design of PLC are option 1 single block, 2 the modular rack type, 3 both 1 and 2, 4 none of the above. Correct answer is both 1 and 2, option 3. Next one. If the alternator is overexcited and it delivers reactive power to the infinite bus, then under this condition, option 1, the alternator is operating an unity power factor. 2, the alternator is operating both at leading and lagging power factor. 3, the alternator is operating at leading power factor. 4, the alternator is operating at lagging power factor. Correct answer is the alternator is operating at lagging power factor, option 4. Next one. Input signal for PLC can be in the form of option 1, analog, discrete, 2, analog digital, 3, digital discrete, 4, all analog, digital and discrete. Correct answer is all, option 4. Next one. Which of the following methods used for maintaining the voltage within limits are provided at both ends of the transmission line? Option 1, static Beer compensators at heavy loads. 2, shunt reactors. 3, shunt capacitor bank. 4, synchronous condenser. Correct answer is shunt reactors, option 2. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.